Hello everyone, let's make a yummy parfait together. So guys, the ingredients we'll be needing is this berry, apple, yogurt and fruit and nut mix. So guys, I started off by opening the fruit and nut mix, after which I have to pour some amount of yogurt inside the cup. Then the next was to top up some dry fruit and nuts, after which I have to go in with my apple and berry. Then guys, I keep repeating the process, and guys, just keep watching guys. So guys, our yummy parfait is ready, and the next stage now is for me to put it in the fridge until it's ready for me to consume it for all of us. So guys, do give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you so much for hanging in there. I love you. Bye.